चलिए अब हम डिस्कस करते हैं पंजाब जुडिशियल सर्विस 2011 का पार्ट थर्ड, जिसमें कि हम क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस करेंगे क्वेश्चन 61 से लेके 90 तक। क्वेश्चन 61, द डिफेंस ऑफ कंसेंट अप्लाइज टू प्राइवेट रॉन्ग्स, पब्लिक रॉन्ग्स, बोथ ए एंड बी, नाइदर ए नॉर बी। इट्स आंसर इज ए, private wrongs. Question 62. Give the correct response with respect to the difference between section 34 and 149. Section 34 does create specific offence while section 149 does not. Active participation is needed in section 34 while not necessary in section 149. Both A and B and none of these. Its answer is A. Section 34 creates a specific offence while 149 does not. Question 63. Cognizance on offence of defamation under chapter 21 of IPC can be taken on police report, on complaint made by an aggrieved person, suo motu, all of the above. Its answer is B, on the complaint made by a aggrieved person. Question 64. In case of a free fight between two parties, right of private defense is available to both the parties. Right of private defense is available to individuals against individual. No right of private defense is available to either party. Right to private defense is available only to one party. Its answer is C. No right of private defense is available to either party. Question 65. A pulled an earring away from a woman's ear and thereby tore and wounded her ear. A is guilty of extortion, mischief, misappropriation, robbery. Its answer is D, robbery. Question 66. Z strikes B. B is by this provocation excited to violent rage. A bystander, intended to take advantage of B's rage and to cause him to kill Z, put a knife into B's hand for that purpose. B kills Z with the knife, for which offence A is liable. Culpable homicide, attempt to murder, murder, or no offence. Its answer is attempt to murder, option B. Question 67. For abatement, it is necessary that the person abated should be capable of committing an offence under the law. It is necessary that the person abated should have the same guilty intention. It is not necessary that the person abated should be capable of committing an offence under the law or should have the same guilty intention. None of the above. Its answer is C. It is not necessary that the person abated should be capable of committing an offence under the law should have the same guilty intention. Question 68. A fact forming part of the same transaction is relevant under section 6 of Evidence Act. Options are if it is in the issue and have occurred at the same time and place, if it is in the issue and may have occurred at different times and places, though not in issue and may have occurred at the same time and place or at the different times and places, though not in issue must have occurred at the same time and place. Its answer is option number C. Though not in issue may have been occurred at the same time and place and at different times and places. Question 69. A person is proving his defense under one of the following exceptions. State which of the following exception is correct. By oral evidence, beyond all reasonable doubts, no evidence is applicable when he is pleading preponderance of probability. Its answer is D, when he is pleading preponderance of probability. Question 70. Admissions must be examined as a whole, not in parts. Can be examined in part, can be examined as a whole or in parts. None of the above. Answer is C, can be examined as a whole or in parts. Question 71. Burden of proof partially determines the right to begin, substantially determines the right to begin, wholly determines the right to begin. None of the above. Its answer is A, partially determines the right to begin. Question 72. Confession of one of the accused is admissible against co-accused if they are tried jointly for the same offences, if they are tried jointly for the different offences, if they are tried for the same offences but not jointly, if they are tried for the different offences and not jointly. Answer is A, if they are tried jointly for the same offences. Question 73. Contents of document may be proved under section 61 of Evidence Act by primary evidence, by secondary evidence, either by primary or by secondary evidence, only by primary evidence, not by secondary evidence. Its answer is C, either primary or secondary evidence. Question 74. Due execution and authentication of power of attorney shall be presumed under section 85 of Evidence Act when executed before and authenticated by a notary, a judge, a magistrate, all of the above. Answer is D, all of the above. Question 75. Estoppel can be by silence, by election, by negligence, and all of the above. Its answer is D, all of the above. Question 76. Husband and wife both are competent witness for and against each other in civil proceedings, in criminal proceedings, both in civil and criminal proceedings, neither in civil nor in criminal proceeding. Answer is C, in civil and criminal proceedings, both. Question 77. In case a child is born within 280 days of dissolution of marriage, the mother remaining unmarried, the presumption of the legitimacy of the child under section 112 of Evidence Act arises. If the father is alive on the day the child is born, if the father is not alive on the day the child is born, irrespective of whether the father is alive or dead on the day the child is born, none of the above. Answer is C, irrespective of whether the father is alive or dead on the day the child is born. Question 78. In section 8 of Indian Evidence Act, which one of the following is made relevant? Occasion, intention and motive, motive, preparation and conduct, motive, conduct and intention, intention, motive and preparation. Answer is B, motive, preparation and conduct. Question 79. Latent ambiguity in document means ambiguity not subject to clarification by oral evidence, apparent on the face of the document, of hidden character, and for the clarification which oral evidence may be given and not allowed to be proved by oral evidence. Its answer is C, of a hidden character and for the clarification of which the oral evidence may be given. Question 80. Facts can be physical facts, psychological facts, physical as well as psychological facts, only physical facts and not psychological facts. Its answer is C, physical as well as psychological. Question 81. Under section 145 of Evidence Act, a witness may be cross-examined as to previous statement in writing without proving the same and without showing the same to the witness, only after proving the same, may without showing the same to the witness, without proving the same but only after showing the same to the witness, only after proving the same and showing the same to the witness. Answer is A, without proving the same and without showing the same to the witness. Question 82. Under section 118, who amongst the following are competent witnesses? Child, accused, lunatic, all of the above. Its answer is all of the above. Question 83. Self-regarding statements can be self-serving statements, can be self-serving and self-harming, can be self-harming statements, none of the above. Its answer is option number C, can be self-harming statements. Question 84. The relationship in section 50 of Evidence Act means relationship by blood only, relationship by blood or marriage, relationship by blood or marriage or adoption, none of the above. Its answer is C, relationship by blood or marriage or adoption. Question 85. The presumption under section 90 of Evidence Act can be drawn in respect of original documents only, certified copies only, uncertified copies only, all of the above. Its answer is option number A, original documents. Question 86. A person which of the following blood group is called the universal donor? Blood group O, AB, A or B? Option A, blood group O. Question 87. What is the minimum age prescribed for the membership to the Lok Sabha? 21 years, 25 years, 30 years, 35 years. Answer is B, 25 years. Question 88. The Indian ruler who defeated the English in the early stage of English rule in India was Ranjit Singh, Mahadaji Sindhia, Hyder Ali, Tipu Sultan. Answer is C, Hyder Ali. Question 89. Which of the following mountains are the oldest? Nilgiris, Aravalis, Himalayas, Satpura range. Its answer is B. Aravalis. Question 90. Playing time of full version of national anthem is approximate 90 seconds, approximate 60 seconds, approximate 52 seconds, approximate 42 seconds. Its answer is C. Approximate 52 seconds.